Have you been looking for ways to improve your communication skills? Have you been wanting to try our app for your videos, presentations, or streams, but you weren't sure which version to try? Keep watching as we take a closer look into the app so you can see which version will best fit your needs. Hi, I'm Mia from Teleprompter.com. Today, we'll dive into the world of Teleprompter.com and break down the different versions of our application for you. We will discuss the features and uses of both the regular and pro versions of the app, so you can decide which is the best for you. Let's dive into it. Starter Pack. Once you download our application, you'll be granted our starter package with our regular initial features. Many of the application's finest features are available on this version already, so you can get a feel of what our software is capable of offering you. The basics of teleprompting are there for you. You can adjust the font size and the speed of your script as well, so your delivery is as flawless as it gets. You can also customize the player screen with special fonts and colors so your scripts are visually popping for your delivery process. In this free version, you can also get going with reading disabilities. Just try our Open Dyslexic or Bionic reading fonts. You can record videos with a watermark, which are great for homemade social media content and youngsters trying their hands in some new hobby. You're able to organize and save your scripts to the cloud, so you never have to worry that you get lost in all your ideas. If you would be more comfortable, you can also remote control the application with a presentation remote. Just go to Settings and under Remote Control, choose Presentation Remote. Let's become pros. Do you feel like you've used everything in the starter pack? You're somewhat satisfied, but for some reason, it's still not enough for you? It's because it feels like you closed the door on many more possibilities. But don't worry, you don't have to deny yourself anything anymore. Our app has all the solutions for you. You're in need of our Pro version, which enables many incredible features for content creation productions. Once you go Pro, you never go home. Let's look at what these features are. 4K video recording without watermark. Now you can record yourself in the best of qualities. 4K resolution refers to a horizontal display resolution of approximately 4,000 pixels. It is the cornerstone of digital content creation in the modern days. All the professionals are using 4K because it allows for the best image quality and also offers you the ability to crop into the image if you need a tighter picture of the subject without losing any quality. 4K is a no-brainer nowadays. Don't miss out on it. Mirroring horizontally and vertically. You might ask yourself, why would I mirror my text in any way? Doesn't that make it harder for me to read my scripts? Your worries are understandable, but there's no reason to be afraid. It's useful for professional teleprompter rigs because there's a mirror reflecting the text in front of the lens for your eyes, and in order to work properly, you need to mirror your scripts in a way on the app first. If you want to use this feature, just go to the settings and under playback settings, the first two options are to mirror the text horizontally and vertically. Remote control on another device. You can also have the opportunity to remote control the application in easier ways. In the Pro version, you can use another mobile device as a remote. It's more convenient if you don't have a presentation remote at hand, especially for the on-the-go content creators. We all carry our phones with us most of the time, and with this feature, you never have to worry about not having a remote control. We also have a whole video on external remote control devices. Make sure to check that out as well. Generate captions to your videos. Another great Pro feature is our caption generator for videos. With our speech recognition software, now you can add subtitles to your recorded videos in more than a dozen languages. You don't have to worry about post-production subtitle fights anymore. Just use this great feature to save yourself many hours and create videos on a roll. Scripts unlimitedly. With the Pro version of the application, you can store scripts unlimitedly on your device. If you're running a large-scale video creator operation as your business or hobby, this feature is a must-have for you. Every content creator knows the pain of organizing and storing all the material they use during production, and dealing with scripts and text can often become quite challenging. But with this feature, you'll never have the anxiety of not finding the needed script or having to delete one because of storage issues. AI Generator unlimitedly. And last but not least, our big gun, the AI Script Generator. This massive tool is the solution for all your blank page problems, but with the starter pack, you only have the possibility to use this machine once a day. However, if you decide to switch to the Pro version, your video business can instantly start right up. You will have unlimited access to the generator and be able to create as many scripts a day as you need. We have a whole separate video on our AI Script Generator. Make sure to check that out for more information. For enterprises. We're not just here for the individual, we're also here for companies. If you're running an enterprise and looking for a tool that solves all your needs, we have the solution. Contact us and we can offer everything that's in the professional version of the application and also features that are necessary for companies with many employees, such as multiple editors and shared workspaces. Click the link down below, visit our website, and take a look at what we can offer. Conclusions. The Teleprompter.com app's free and pro versions cater to distinct user needs within the realm of teleprompting and content creation. The free version provides essential functionalities for casual users and those with basic requirements, offering a simple and accessible means of delivering speeches and presentations. On the other hand, the Pro version targets professional users, content creators, and public speakers who demand a more refined and feature-rich experience. With advanced customization, collaboration, and sharing capabilities, the Pro version becomes an indispensable tool for those who heavily rely on teleprompting for their work. The choice between the free and pro versions ultimately depends on your level of expertise, the complexity of your projects, and the degree of customization and collaboration required. So, now that we've broken down the different versions of the app, which will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Happy teleprompting!